Here's our take on top 5 short films directed by acclaimed filmmakers. Doodlebug by Christopher Nolan. One of the path-breaking directors in Hollywood who has troubled our minds since inception. I mean, since his debut directed short film in 1997, which features his favorite theme, time, which is usually distorted by protagonist's action. This is a direct reference to his ambitious blockbuster he made after 13 years in the form of Inception. 2 by Satyajit Ray, a genius in making art movies, influencing filmmakers from all over the world by his cinematic style. Satyajit Ray came up with his finest work in form of 2 in 1964. Funded by American oil company Esso, he made a film without use of any dialogue. This film tended to be an allegory of rich and poor divide across the world. The two boys made it a layered performance. Enough evidences you could find in its thematic presentation in form of objects like mechanic toys, kites, flute, etc. Amblin by Steven Spielberg. I guess after Stanley Kubrick, he's another director who has not left untouched in creating classics in different filmmaking genres. But his inception as filmmaker roots back to this 1968 independent short film. It revolves around the time of hippie era of 60s, where a teenaged boy and a free-spirited girl journeys through Mojave Desert to Pacific Coast. Friendship, fun, love, as well as sadness has been depicted with no dialogue effort. Vincent by Tim Burton. An equally amazing interpretation of a horror story through stop animation. Tim Burton brought out the main character's troubled relationship with real world. He is fascinated by Edgar Allan Poe's works and a mad scientist who revives his dead dog. This movie was a tribute to his inspirational actor Vincent Price. This latter proved to be an inspiration for making Frankenweenie. Xenogenesis. Now, if you are waiting for this decade's most anticipated movie, Avatar 2, and to see its underwater magic, you may wanna know about its director James Cameron's first sci-fi short film, which showcased how an engineered man and woman search for a new place in space to begin a life cycle. In the climax, the woman fights against a robot cleaner using a mechanical exosuit. This again served to be a climax in his directed blockbuster Aliens. That's it for this list. We will keep bringing the most curated lists from the world of entertainment. Thanks for watching.